Hello everyone. Now I am going to explain one example of LDE when function present on right hand side is not in standard form. That means when we cannot use any of the shortest method to find the solution. Okay. So first thing that we used to write is auxiliary equation. So first we will write auxiliary equation, equate coefficient of y with 0. So we get d square plus 5d plus 6 equals to 0. Use calculator to get values of d, roots of this equation. The values are -2 and -3, isn't it? So we'll write CF, real and distinct values of d are there. So CF is C1 e raised to -2x plus C2 e raised to -3x, isn't it? Then we will find out Pi. So Pi is equal to, general formula to find Pi is 1 upon f of d of x. Substitute both the values. This is d square plus 5d plus 6 and x is, function present on right hand side is e raised to -2x sec square x into 1 plus 2 tan x, isn't it? Now if we have only e raised to -2x, we can use case 1 to solve, but we are having remaining function with it. So we have to use general method, that means factors of this polynomial, isn't it? So we'll write the factors. This is d plus 2 as first value of d is -2 and then it is -3, so d plus 3 we have to write, okay, into function. And then we operate the factors. We have two methods. In this again we can use method of factors, that means in product form we can apply factors on the function one after another, or method of partial fraction, that means we can separate the factors and operate them at a time on the function, okay, but we will use method of factors. So we will operate first this d plus 3, so d plus 2 as it is, plus 3 is there, so we have to write e raised to -3x. In integral we will write e raised to plus 3x and into function e raised to -2x sec square x into 1 plus 2 tan x dx, isn't it? Now this e raised to -3x into plus 3x into e raised to -2x, that is e raised to plus x. So e raised to x into sec square x into 1 plus 2 tan x dx, isn't it? Now whenever we have e raised to x, we can use standard result, that is e raised to x into fx plus f dash x dx. If we can write this function as function plus its derivative, then we can directly use the standard result to write the integral, isn't it? So this is the integral of e raised to x. We know derivative of tan x is sec square x, isn't it? So this term, but here we have to make one adjustment so that we can solve it further. We will multiply this bracket by this sec square x. Okay, so we'll write sec square x plus 2 tan x into sec square x dx. See what we have done? We have taken the product. Okay, and now see, if we take sec square x as function, what is derivative of sec square? First we have to write derivative of square, that is 2 sec, isn't it? And then derivative of sec is sec into tan, sec x into tan x. So we will have 2 sec square x into tan x dx, that means this is f dash x. Okay, so now by using the standard result, we can write its integral as 1 upon d plus 2 e raised to -3x into e raised to x into fx, that is sec square x only, isn't it? And now this e raised to -3x into e raised to x will become e raised to power -2x into sec square x. So first part, for first factor we have simplified. Now operate this second on the function. So it is e raised to minus 2x, as here we are having plus 2. In integral we have e raised to plus 2x into e raised to minus 2x sec square x, function as it is dx. Now this e raised to plus 2x into e raised to minus 2x, that will become e raised to 0 means 1, so we will have only sec square x. So e raised to minus 2x into integral of sec square x dx, and we know integral of sec square is nothing but tan x. That's it. This is our pi, and then we will write complete solution, that is CF plus pi. So it is C1 e raised to minus 2x plus C2 e raised to minus 3x plus e raised to minus 2x tan x. So in this way we will find out the complete solution by using method of general method.